Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So before we start with the geometry, we'll first spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. So after analyzing this geometry, I feel that the best starting point would be the midpoint of this circle. So we'll begin by drawing this circle of 20 dia followed by this circle of 40 dia. Then we'll copy both these circles to the right at a distance of 70 units. Then we'll draw one line from the midpoint of this circle to 70 divided by 2, and then we'll extend it downwards at a distance of 90 units. Then from here we'll move to the left at a distance of 110 divided by 2. Then with the end point of that line as the center point, we'll draw this circle of 14 dia and this circle of 40 dia. Then we'll copy both the circles to the right at a distance of 110. Then we'll draw one line extending from the end point of this downwards to a distance of 45 units. Then we'll draw this circle of 20 dia and this circle of 40 dia. Then we'll offset this line to the left 6 units, and then if you want you can even offset it to the right. Then we'll fillet these edges with a radius of 6. We'll fillet this with a radius of 55. Then we'll draw one line quadrantial to this circle and extending downwards of any length, and then fillet it with a radius of 15. Then we'll draw one line which would be quadrantial to this circle and extending to a distance of 90 minus 20, that is 70. And then we'll move it to the right at a distance of 15 units. Then we'll fillet the edges with 6 radius. On the top, we'll create this arc by using the tangent radius command of circle, and we'll make this arc of radius 90. Then we'll mirror these objects to the right. Then we'll change the line thickness. Then we'll put the center mark. Then we'll put the dimensioning, and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. I'll pan the image a bit to the left, and we'll first begin by drawing this inner circle which is of 20 dia. So I use circle center diameter. I use this as a tracking point and click somewhere over here and draw a circle of 20 dia. Then we'll draw this outer circle of 40 dia. So circle center diameter is 40. Then we'll copy both these circles, CO for copy, center to center distance would be 70 units. Escape. You can double check by using linear dimensioning, and you can see that the distance is 70 units. Now we'll draw one line extending from the midpoint of this to half of 70 divided by 2, and then extending downward to a distance of 90 units, and then to the left at a distance of 110 divided by 2, and then we press enter. Then we'll draw this circle which is of 14 diameter. So we select circle center diameter. This is a center point 14 diameter. And then we'll draw outer circle of 40 diameter. Then we'll copy Both these circles, center to center distance is 110. Hit enter. Then we'll use linear dimensioning from here to here just to check, and it you can see it is exactly 110. Now we'll draw one line of 45 units from the center of this. So we'll use the line command. From here we'll draw one line of 45 units. Then we'll hit enter. Now we'll draw this circle of 20 dia and another circle of 40 dia. Then we'll fillet with a radius of 55. So we'll type fillet R for radius 55. Select the first circle, select the second circle. Next we'll draw this line. So we'll use the line command and draw one line quadrantial to this and of any length. Hit enter. Then we'll use the fillet command and give the radius as 15 and select this circle, again fillet this and this. Next we'll draw this line. So we'll draw quadrantial to this and extending to a distance of 90 minus 20, that is 70 units. We'll select line from here 70 units. Hit enter. And then we'll move it to the right. Distance is 15 units. Hit enter. And again enter to end the command. Then we'll fillet this with a radius of 6. So we'll say fillet radius 6, this and this. So this is also filleted. Now we'll draw these two lines. So we'll offset this line to the left. So we'll say offset distance is 6. Select the object to offset and the side to offset. Then we'll fillet it with a radius of 6. So we type the fillet command and R for radius. We type 6. We click here and we click here. Same way we type fillet. We click here and we click here. So we get this object, and here also we want to fillet. So fillet and we click here and we click here. Now finally we have to make this arc which is of radius 90. So we select circle, tangent, tangent, radius, tangential to this, radius is 90. Let's see again, circle, tangent, tangent, radius, tangential to this, and radius is 90. Hit enter. Then we type trim and erase the unwanted part of the circle. Now our geometry is ready. We'll erase the unwanted referential lines. So we don't need this, we don't need this, and we don't need this. We hit enter. Now we'll mirror these lines to the right. So we type mirror and we select the objects which we would like to mirror. and then we press enter. First point of mirror line and second point of mirror line, enter. Now our basic line work is complete. So we select our geometry and we increase the thickness of the line to 0.30. Then we press escape, and now we use the center mark command and put one center mark here, 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 and here. Then we change the color of the center marks. We select the center marks and we change the color to red. Then we extend this center mark to the top, so we get a center line. Now we can proceed with our dimensioning. So we start with diametric dimensioning. First we'll remove diameter for this 40. Again diametric dimensioning 20. Then we go for radius 15. Again radius 15. Then we go for linear dimensioning. Center to center distance is 90 units. Then we again go for linear dimensioning. Center to center distance is 45 units. The dimension should be precise, so let's do it again from here to here and make it match this. So that is 45. Then we go for diametric dimensioning. So diametric dimensioning for inner circle 14. Diametric dimensioning for outer circle 40. Radius dimensioning for this, it is 55. Diametric dimensioning for this 40. Diametric dimensioning for this 20. Radius dimensioning for this 55. Linear dimensioning from here to here 12. Linear dimensioning from here to here, let's say linear dimensioning from here to here, it is 20. Then radius dimensioning for this edge, it is 6. Then we go for linear dimensioning from here to here, again from here, again linear dimensioning from here to here, and again linear dimensioning from here to here. So that is also done. Then go for radius dimensioning. Select this. Radius is 90. Then go for diametric dimensioning 40. Diametric dimensioning 20. Radius dimensioning 15. Radius dimensioning 15. Diametric dimensioning outer circle 40. Diametric dimensioning in a circle 14. And our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.